Guglielmo Marconi, pioneer of wireless communication. Guglielmo Marconi, an Italian inventor and electrical engineer, stands as one of the most influential figures in the history of telecommunications. Born on April 25, 1874, in Bologna, Italy, Marconi's groundbreaking work in wireless communication revolutionized the way people communicate over vast distances, laying the foundation for modern telecommunications systems. Early life and education. Marconi's fascination with science and technology emerged at an early age, nurtured by his father, an Italian aristocrat with a keen interest in physics. Despite facing skepticism from traditional educators, Marconi pursued his passion for experimenting with electromagnetic waves and wireless transmission. Innovation and invention. Marconi's pioneering experiments in wireless communication began in the late 19th century, inspired by the discoveries of scientists such as James Clerk Maxwell and Heinrich Hertz. Building upon their research, Marconi developed a series of increasingly sophisticated wireless telegraphy devices, culminating in the invention of the first practical wireless telegraph system. In 1895, at the age of 21, Marconi achieved a significant breakthrough by successfully transmitting a radio signal over a distance of 1 mile. Encouraged by this initial success, he continued to refine his technology, extending the range of his wireless transmissions and attracting the attention of investors and potential collaborators. In 1897, Marconi established the Wireless Telegraph and Signal Company, later known as Marconi's Wireless Telegraph Company, to commercialize his inventions and expand the reach of wireless communication. His wireless telegraphy system quickly gained traction, finding applications in maritime communication, military signaling, and even early forms of broadcasting. Transatlantic transmission. One of Marconi's most remarkable achievements came in 1901 when he successfully transmitted the first wireless signal across the Atlantic Ocean, from Poldhu, Cornwall, in England, to Signal Hill, Newfoundland, Canada. This historic feat demonstrated the practicality and reliability of wireless communication over long distances, ushering in a new era of global connectivity. Legacy and impact. Marconi's contributions to the field of telecommunications earned him widespread acclaim and recognition, including the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1909, making him the first person to receive the award for achievements in radio communication. His inventions laid the groundwork for modern radio, television, and cellular communication systems, shaping the way people communicate and connect with one another across the globe. Beyond his technological innovations, Marconi's legacy is also marked by his entrepreneurial spirit and vision for the future of telecommunications. He played a pivotal role in the establishment of international standards for wireless communication and the development of the radio industry, paving the way for the emergence of broadcasting and mass media. In conclusion, Guglielmo Marconi's pioneering work in wireless communication revolutionized the way people communicate and interact with one another, transcending geographical boundaries and bringing the world closer together. His legacy as a visionary inventor and entrepreneur continues to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and innovators to push the boundaries of technology and harness the power of communication to shape the future of humanity.